Look, I already know what you're thinking, so let me clear everything up right at the start. Yes, this video will be 100% free. Second, yes, you can create these videos on any device, whether it's an Android phone or a computer. Third, yes, these videos are 100% monetizable. First, watch the video of this channel I'm talking about. That one Ancient Humans video got 7.1 million views in a month. The channel is called Zen, and it is monetized now. Just look at the second channel in the same niche. One video got approximately 800,000 views. Just start your channel in the same niche because this niche is exploding on YouTube right now. People are incredibly curious to know about ancient people's lifestyles. And the crazy thing is, the entire thing can be replicated using AI. No 3D renders, no complex motion graphics, no voiceover artist. Just clean, minimal illustrations with bold text and a concept that makes your brain itch. This niche works because it targets something very specific. That feeling of, I never thought about that before, but now I need to know. Whether it's psychology, ancient history, space, or human biology, if the topic hits that nerve, people watch the whole thing and share it. And the format is actually more achievable than it looks. Here's how you make videos like this. Start with your topic. The title is everything in this niche. It needs to sound like a question your brain is already asking but never said out loud. I use ChatGPT for this. I have a prompt that specifically generates those "wait, what?" style topics that stop people mid-scroll. First, paste the video topic prompt in ChatGPT. Don't worry, all the prompts are linked in the description. Just check it out, okay? Once you have the topic, take it to Claude for the script. Go to a new document, copy the script prompt, paste it into Claude, and paste your topic in the topic section. The key with this niche is, the script has to be genuinely interesting. Not just facts listed one after another, but a real narrative that pulls you from one idea to the next. Claude does this well when you give it the right direction. Copy the script. For the voiceover, we are using 11 Labs again, but the voice style here is different from lifestyle content. You want something that sounds curious and slightly intense, like someone who just discovered something and has to tell you immediately. Okay, if you are facing any issue in 11 Labs, let me know in the comments. Now, for the animation style, this is simpler than you think. The Zen style is basically flat 2D characters with minimal detail. Think stick figures with slightly more personality. You can generate these consistently using image prompts in ChatGPT. I gave the image prompt in the document, so just copy the image prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, paste the script in the script section, and run it. After that, ChatGPT will give us image prompts, script by script. Now, copy the image prompt. To generate images, head over to Google Flow, click on Nano Banana, select Nano Banana 2, not Pro, select ratio 16:9, and select 2 images per prompt. Then paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit generate. After that, select the image you like and download it. Paste those image prompts into Google Flow one by one with 16:9 ratio on Google Nano Banana. The key is keeping the visual style identical across every frame, so it feels like a real animated show, not a slideshow. Generate your images in batches of 5. Type next for the following batch and keep going until the whole script is covered. Then, take everything into CapCut. The editing style for this niche is punchy. Cuts happen fast, text pops on screen to reinforce what's being said, and there's usually a subtle background music track that keeps the energy up without distracting. That's the core of it. The whole process, once you have your workflow dialed in, takes just a few hours per video. Oh, thanks a lot for watching. If you follow this method, you can create viral AI ancient people videos for free. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates.
Everything you're seeing right now already happened. Your brain is always behind reality by milliseconds, which means you've never actually experienced the present, not once, not even now. In 1999, a neuroscientist named Benjamin Libet ran an experiment that made the scientific community deeply uncomfortable.